If you think coding is just sitting and typing, think again. Dive into the world of programmers and discover the unexpected. Did you know that the first computer programmer was a woman? Ada Lovelace envisioned a world powered by machines way back in the 1840s. And here's a mind-boggler. Programmers in the US alone drink over 64 million cups of coffee per year. That's a lot of late-night coding. Zoom into the future, and you'll find that over 70% of coding jobs are outside the tech industry. Yep, today's programmers are shaping everything from farming to fashion. And speaking of time, the average bug takes about 30 days to fix. Patience truly is a programmer's virtue. Oh, and get this. There's a language called Whitespace where you code using only spaces, tabs, and line breaks. Talk about speaking in code. Ever heard of competitive programming? It's a mind sport, and yes, there are world championships for it. But let's not forget, some of the best software we use today was made by programmers working in their free time. Passion truly knows no bounds. So, whether it's creating apps that connect millions or simply solving puzzles that stump the average mind, programmers keep pushing boundaries. And who knows, maybe the next big innovation is just a hello world away.